right? So balance theory is just, it's similar, but
Yeah.
it's not based on just yesterday's price, right? It's
Yeah,
based
yeah,
on the overall price. But people also I've seen do balance theory on like a lower time frame. Like Eben does it at that a lot because he's in Europe.
yeah.
So he does balance theory during London session at 3 a.m. Eastern. And price is usually pretty consolidative around then, so it works
Mm-hmm.
out well for him. But yeah, when it comes to the indicator though, it's based on previous day only, right? So if I
Yeah.
turn it on just for today, it'll only show yesterday's levels, and that's what you want to be trading off of. So today gold opened here. I mean, yesterday gold opened there and closed here. So it was a decent TLM setup because we closed consolidative.
Yeah.
But remember when we gap up, we leave a demand there as well, right? So we had
Mm-hmm.
this demand right there, right? And as you can see, price pretty much failed to get past it. So yeah, this one came down a bit, but then it could just continued up from there.
So if it came down into that demand zone and respected it, that would be a good place to enter.
Yeah, or even this one, like you could have tried to play it down to the demand as well. I think I had a student that was trying to do that, but it came just shy and he ended up cutting it at break even around here just because it spent so much time, right?
Yeah,
But it's the
I see
same
that.
things like a break of structure, 50% pullback, right? So something like this, you could have looked to enter, but usually you want to be entering in the lines, right? Not outside of the lines. I know
Okay.
sometimes people do it if the structure aligns, but this one came just shy of this demand. So yeah, sometimes it'll be cleaner, but other
Mm-hmm.
times not as much. There was a
Okay.
good example on MES though, this one, right? Like we opened here, closed there, pretty much at the same place.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one here, like it opened inside, popped out, tried to come in, popped out again, but then we broke here. So there were a couple students who entered on the break of structure there, right? Stop loss at the low, targeting value area high, right?
I see.
So
Okay.
this was a good trade, but usually after the break of structure, a lot of us like to wait for the retrace, right? So this one, a couple of us did miss, but if you entered right on the break of structure, because there's still good risk to reward entering on the break, you just played a rotation to the upper line or the supply and demand that's sitting up there.